Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the KARRIE brand. This is their swivel stool chair seat. Now on Amazon there's 4 different colors available. I purchased the black color. Now some of the features is this is heavy duty and it should support up to 400 pounds. A lot of them are 300 or 250 or 240. This is more heavy duty. It has a pneumatic cylinder is rated by SGS and tested, and that's a company in California. I'm gonna have a slide of that. So they're rating it for safety and it won't ever explode. The outer portion has steel, so it's very durable. Also, they handle it at 400 pounds. The seat itself is a synthetic leather. It's called bonded leather. It's circular, as you can see, and it's water and oil proof. And you see it's got a nice waffle pattern on it. We're going to do a close-up of that. The seat is about 13.5 inches in diameter by 3 inches thick of a blend of foams. Now the company, KARRIE, offers a 1-year warranty, which is great. The height is adjustable on this from 22 up to 30 inches, which is a full 8-inch range. Now as you can see, what's unique about this, I did a lot of searching, is this has 5 rollerblade wheels on there, 2.5-inch diameter. And that's a soft polyurethane wheel. It'll work on all floors. And what's nice is that it fits the standard 7/16 inch wide by 7/8 inch long length, so you can replace those if you had to. Now this base is cast aluminum. It will never rust. And it's all one piece cast, and there's just 3 simple assembly steps on here. So the manual just shows that. So first thing I'm going to show you is the aluminum. I want to point this out. This is cast aluminum, and the magnet just doesn't have any attraction whatsoever. So that's a good sign. That's showing you that this is definitely 100% aluminum. Feels really solid. And you look on the bottom, you see it's cast from one whole cast of aluminum for strength. And then here's those roller wheels that I talked about, and you can see them here. I could do a little close-up of them. So that's unique because most chairs don't have that. And you know, roller wheels themselves, a set like this could cost $30. So that shows this is a good value. And I've used these wheels on my floors and they work just great. They don't damage the hardwood floor. Now looking at the cylinder, here's the cylinder, and it has this cap. Make sure you remove this cap before you assemble the chair, just like that. Let's take a close-up of the bonded leather seat. Very nice quality. It's got double stitching there. You can see how thick it is, at 3 inches thick. And this is the way to turn the cylinder to go up to let the compressed air in. That's the control for that. Has a nice wide base attaching to the wood, and it's all welded on there for strength. It says remove the black plastic cap, which I did. Insert the gas lift cylinder B into the base seat. So the first thing it wants you to do is to insert this into the base, just like that. It fit quite simply. Then the next thing it says place the seat over the gas cylinder, then press down the seat until it snaps into place. And you see that's the button right there that raises the cylinder. So that's it. That's the assembly of this. And you see it rotates 360 degrees, which is nice. So I'm going to test it out now. So here I'm showing you the smoothness of the operation on my hardwood floor. See the wheels rotating. So as you can see, it rolls around quite nicely on the floor. You're gonna have hardwood floors. Now here's that level, and when you see it lifts it, look how high that goes. I mean, it even goes out of the camera range. So that's the maximum height right there. And then have it go down and have to sit on it, and it'll drop down. Very nice. So what's my overall opinion about the KARRIE brand swivel stool chair with a 400-pound rating? I think this is nice quality. The seat felt comfortable, and I demonstrated how it rolls around. You can see it just rolling on the table. And it's also very quiet. If you listen, you don't hear that plasticky sound of those plastic wheels. This is very quiet and nice. And as this rotates, it doesn't squeak either. And the lever works, and you see how much range it has a huge range. So I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.